Ready? Hugs. Does he think he did? And kisses. And bite your belly. Come here. Come here. He wants hugs and kisses. He wants hugs and kisses. Big Bird. Hugs. Wait, come here. Kiss.
I'm gonna kiss you on the back.
Why? That's silly. You're gonna kiss on the back too? Belly.
You my belly.
Big Bird eats the bellies. Don't pull, don't pull, don't pull. Don't pull. You want to eat the bellies? Here it comes. Wait, turn this way. Here comes the belly. Big Bird wants to eat your belly. Can he eat your belly button? Let me see your belly button. You give him a hug. He's okay. You give him a hug. Give him a hug. You give him hugs. Oh, Big Bird gets hugs. Okay. And guess what he does now? Come here. He wants to take a look at something. Do you have a neck?
No.
He has a long neck. Do you have a long neck?
No.
Let's see your neck. Do you have a neck? Big Bird has a neck. Do you see Bird? Where's Big Bird's neck? No. Where's Big Bird? Wait. Where's Big Bird's neck? No, neck. Where's Big Bird's neck? Right there. Where is your neck? But you're not showing me your neck, Big Bird says. Your head? Your feet? Come here, let me see your hand. Put your foot up. Big Bird eat foot. Your other foot? Oh no, Big Bird says, no bubbles. Okay, all done. Let's give hugs and kisses one more time.